Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be looking at the Skyfall poster. Let's have a look. Let's go for this one. Yep, that's good. Okay, so in terms of this poster, I feel that it does its job in its role of advertising the film very well. I feel that in terms of its advertisement, it's clear that it seeks to sort of promote the film, sort of gives it a Facebook page below, Skyfall movie, find us on Facebook. Also gives a date that you can expect the movie and flaunts the gun here in the firm grasp of Daniel Craig, the main actor in the film, aka James Bond. So it sort of gives a bit of background here. You can see the Union. Yep, you can see the Union Jack there, the flag, and a backdrop of what appears to be in London, I believe. But it doesn't give too much away. It's simple. It's not too complex, and I feel like they've been able to do this simply because of the weight that the brand and the name of the film has. They haven't had to put much effort into it. In terms of how effective this is, I feel that this is effective because it enables them to sort of get their point across and sort of flaunt what's going to be in the film without sort of it's a restrictive storyline, so what you have is what you get for now, but it's almost like if you watch this on the 26th of October, you can see what he does with this gun or why he's wearing this suit, what the location's for. So I think it sort of lays breadcrumbs for the audience to follow, and I think that this is very effective because while it doesn't give much away, it's sort of like, okay, he looks rather dapper. From the expression on his face, it's clear that he's serious. He has a piercing look in his eyes, and he appears to be quite serious in what is coming or what may be next. So we can draw inference from this, like, oh, okay, maybe something terrible has happened. It's his mission to respond. That's why he's got the gun in his hand, and maybe this is where it's going to happen. He also has his hand in his pocket, which could suggest that, oh, okay, he's not a novice. He's done this before. If he can handle the gun with one hand and kill somebody with one hand, he doesn't need a second hand for that, really, but to hold his timepiece to tell the time and measure his time efficiency and proficiency in maybe executing his victim, which is what we can see from the gun he's holding here. He's even got his finger on the trigger, I believe. So he's quite ready in terms of what needs to be done. And if you look close enough, you can see that he's well dressed. He's got a bow tie, black lapel tuxedo, and cufflinks on. So it's not as though he is inexperienced. He appears to have a wealth of experience, and I think all of this contributes to making the audience want to watch the film because he looks like a well-seasoned professional, and that there is high octane action to come.